Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to program the Aura Labs TV backlight. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and basically calibrate or program your Aura TV backlight. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Aura Labs app. Next, click on your TV backlight. Now, from this option here, you want to click on the gear icon in the upper right hand corner and first do screen calibration. So click on screen calibration. And what you'll do here is that you're essentially trying to go ahead and place the points at the four different corners of your TV. Other things that you can do is that you can adjust the brightness. So my brightness is actually set to a nice 40%. And there's different modes at the bottom. So you can have it video sync, in which it color matches what's on screen. You can set it to a color mode, you can set it to a music sync, or you can set it to a sleep mode. But that's essentially how to go ahead and program your Aura Labs TV backlight. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.